Yo, how's it going? Warren. Okay, I'm busy making Vetkoek, my bro. It's fucking raining outside. Check the weather. Fucking raining outside. So I'm making Vetkoek. The nice part of it is I can make mince. Make Vetkoek and mince, my bro. It's a cold day. Fucking eat that. That's what you want to do. A curry bunny, like we call it. So what you do is 800 milliliters of water in a jug. That's about 2-3 cups of water. You throw in 6 cups of cake flour, right? 6 cups of cake flour. Packet of yeast. You put in about 3 teaspoons of sugar. Teaspoons, not tablespoons, eh? And then you throw in a teaspoon and a half of salt, because it's 6 cups of cake flour. Remember that. Right, you mix your cake flour mixture. Do not throw in the water yet. Stir your mixture together. Up until when your mixture is stirred together, you gently throw in your 800 milliliters of water. Remember that? 800 milliliters. But you don't throw everything at the same time. Throw in a little bit. Stir your mixture through. Remember, not hot water, lukewarm water. If you throw in hot water, you're gonna kill your yeast. And don't tell me I didn't tell you that. So, after systematically and gently throw in your water, stir in your mixture, then you put flour on your hands, because now you're gonna knead it. You knead it for like 2 to 3 minutes. After it's kneaded for 2 to 3 minutes, and all the edges of your bowl that you were mixing in your mixture looks like that. All the edges are clean and it's nice and tacky. Don't throw too much flour, because now you're gonna make it dense. It's gonna be too thick, right? Because it needs to be soft. We don't want hard Vetkoek. You understand what I mean? Then after you've done that, it's still sticky to your hands. You're gonna put it in a glass bowl. Before putting in the glass bowl, you're gonna put some oil in the glass bowl so that your mixture don't stick. Put it in a glass bowl, put some cling wrap over the glass bowl, and put it in a warm place for an hour. So mine has been rising now for the last half an hour. Let's take a look. It's coming along quite nicely. It's busy rising. What I've done is, because it's a cold day, I've put it in the oven. It's a nice trick, because normally you would make Vetkoek or bread or anything like that on a hot day. Put it in a hot space. Put all your cloths around it. Let it heat, or basically let it rise for an hour in a hot space, humid space. But now, because it's a cold day outside, very cold outside, I put it in the oven. Put it in the oven for 70 degrees, just so that the oven is heated up. I didn't even get to 75, not even to 75, just so that the oven is heated up. Obviously, you're not gonna put it on grill. You're gonna put it on where the air is ventilating inside the oven, so that it can form that hot, warm, not hot, warm sensation, so that the yeast can proclimate and start rising. Obviously, the sugar is what the yeast feasts on or eat on, or whatever it consumes, the sugar, so that it can activate the dough that you needed, so that it can rise. So I'll check in with you after the next half an hour and see how it goes, and then I'll show you how it risen, because we're gonna deep fry it. Chat later. Cheers. So after an hour, I left it for like an hour and 15 minutes. It has risen double in size, as you guys can see. So I've cleaned it with some tin foil. I've taken it out of the oven. There's still a lot of heat and air inside of this bowls. So as you can see, it has risen quite a long time. It was only a little bit, like as big as my hand, a little bit, that I plopped into each. So it was too big for one bowl, but I've cut it in half, put one bit here, one bit there, and it has risen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it out, oil my surface right there. Basically, just clean up, sanitize, and blah blah blah, to make sure that you sanitize your surfaces and clean it up. Put it right there. Oil my surface. I don't want to use more flour. Just keep that off. Don't want to oil my flour or oil my surface. Oil my flour. Oil my surface because then it become doughy, like dense. So put some more oil in, then roll it out. Put it in like a long snake, and then what you do is then you cut it in some pieces. So let's do that. Cool. Boys, as you can see, deep frying is happening there, and they are all but waiting to go in the pan. But look at that! Look at that! Super golden brown. Woo! Nice, nice. Oh, nice. I'll show you as soon as I'm done. I'll show you as soon as I'm done with a batch of all these Vetkoek. So after your deep frying and stuff happened, and you've cleaned all your surfaces and make sure that everything is back to where obviously the oil is still in the pot of which I used, still hot, can't throw it in back into the bottle to be reused. You don't throw it away because guess what? Oil is still clean. That's what you want. You don't want that brownish oil. That means you've been burning your Vetkoek also. Check here. This is the end result. Amagwinya. Yo. I will show you the reveal later on. It's still busy cooling off. So as soon as it cools down, I'll show you how it is. I'm gonna open one. Okay guys, we are back. So I've made Vetkoek, as you guys saw earlier on videos, and I think it came out right. Perfect in my opinion, because you don't want it too brown and you don't want it too white as well, if that's the reason. So this is called Vetkoek in South Africa. Amagwinya. This is what we normally would grow up with. Yeah, let's see if it came out perfect. Let's put this right down there. Let me grab one, and then I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's move this out of the way. So what you want is for it to be golden brown and soft and all this kind of things as well. So here goes. Oh, that's brilliant. Brilliant. Oh, I like it. So yeah guys, like I said, this is my first taster of my domesticated Vetkoek that I made for myself. Awesome. So cool guys, this is my first take, number one, first take on how to make Vetkoek. From my point of view, I think it came out brilliant. I couldn't have asked for better. My next take, making that bread and soup. There we go. It's winter in South Africa. Come on now, we need to do it. So yeah, this is alternative videos that I'm going to be doing, because I'm not shooting any car videos at this point. It is winter, it is raining outside. Please everybody, please drive carefully, don't speed. Canala, if you don't mind, take it easy. It's wet out there, so take it easy guys, and see you in the next video. And also, please like and subscribe and comment if you don't mind. Peace out. Get in.